welcome to the AI and Data Foundation course, your complete guide to master the skill that powers artificial intelligence and machine learning and deep learning and data science. So this course is divided into carefully structured modules designed to take you from beginner level to the confident practitioner. Step by step we will learn everything. So let's take a quick look at what you will learn throughout this course. So our first module gonna be SQL, because this is a prerequisite for artificial intelligence and machine learning course. We start with SQL. You know that SQL is a language of data. So here you will learn how to filter data, how to extract data and play with the data to modify and work on that. Then we will see work on subqueries and window functions, perform aggregation and joins. Then we will explore advanced constructor and query optimization, understand the MySQL setup, DDL, DML commands and advanced SQL concepts. And by the end of this module, you will be able to write efficient queries and unlock insights from raw data set. Then we will move on to the next module, basic Python. So in this particular module, we will dive into the Python, the backbone of AI and ML. We will cover data types, variables, operators and control statements, loops and functions. And we will see a list, strings, tuples and dictionaries. So in this module we will build basic coding foundation and prepares you for the advanced programming. Then in our third module we will learn advanced Python. So once you are comfortable with the basics, you will move on to the advanced Python. Here you will learn object oriented programming like OOPs, functional programming, modules and exception handling, basics of time and space complexity, regex and web scraping, and even a little bit of about Git and GitHub for version control. So in this module we will write production ready code and optimized code. So let's move on to our fourth module, Tableau. Here we will learn Tableau and a little bit about Excel. So finally we focus on data visualization and analytics tool. We will explore intro of data visualization, basic charts, data set operations, Google Sheet formulas and functions, pivot tables, lookup and dynamic arrays, Tableau basics with the Capstone project to tie everything together. So in this module we will ensure you communicate with the data, insight carefully and visualize. This is a must-have skill for today's world of AI and ML. So by the end of this course, you will have a solid foundation of SQL, Python, advanced coding concepts and data visualization. So everything you need to start a journey of AI and ML and data science. So you must be thinking, what next? So in our fourth module we will see mathematics for ML, and before diving deep into AI you will also master mathematics for machine learning, and this will be a backbone of AI algorithms. Don't worry, we will keep it practical and applied. We will work on projects. So our lots of advanced modules are there in this course, AI and ML and beyond. So finally the heart of this course will be applied artificial intelligence, deep learning and machine learning. You will explore deep learning, generative AI, natural programming process, NLP which is called, and computer vision. And by the end of these modules you won't just understand AI, you will be able to build real world intelligence systems. and you will be able to build your own projects and deploy those projects onto websites. So this is more than a course. This is a journey into the world of AI and ML. Make sure to follow the full series so you don't miss any module, and hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated as we release new lessons. And get ready for the code, create and innovate. The future of AI starts right here, and it starts with you. Let's begin. And thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video, and please hit the subscribe button as this gives us a huge motivation. Thank you so much.